guys, and welcome to day 4 in Bangkok. We are leaving late again, thanks to me. I agree. I am sorry. Again, me and mother are a little matching today because look at my hairband and our outfits match. Let's go. We are going to Terminal 21 and Jord Night Market and maybe a cafe. So let's go. Heading to Terminal 21 right now, if possible. The thing is, it has like 7 floors and 7 different countries. So if we get done with that, only then will we go to Ban Suan. If not possible, then we'll keep Ban Suan for another day, which is a very aesthetic cafe. So we'll just end up going to Jord Night Market instead. We did decide to go to Ban Suan, but now we are not going there. Instead, we are going to True Love Cafe. So I hope I can spot over there. You'll understand what it is when I reach. Hello, and welcome to the recap of day 4 in Thailand. So, currently it is around 2:11 a.m., and I'm still not asleep. I don't know why. So, today we literally had the best time on our second stop. But we're going to talk about our first stop today, which was Terminal 21. Now, there are two Terminal 21s in Thailand. One is in Pattaya, and the other one is in Bangkok, right here. It's on Asok BTS station, but you can also take a MRT over there. I do not remember the MRT's name, but yeah, you can take a BTS or a MRT, it doesn't really matter. It has a total of 7 floors, and it is like Caribbean, Rome, Paris, Istanbul, Japan, London, and two San Franciscos. One is San Francisco Street, and the other one is Pier 21. You guys can, go to this place if you want a tiny experience of how structure or architecture is in these countries. Now, let's come to my favorite part of today. Took a BTS train from Asok to Ari. You have to take exit 1, and then on exit 1 you can just book your Bolt, get on it, go to True Love Neverland Cafe, and you will meet the most adorable huskies and shepherd dogs and just these beautiful big boys and girls, and they are adorable. The ticket is 500 baht per person. I mean, it's not 500 baht per person, it's actually 350 baht, and 200 baht for basically a picture with them, like on your shoulders. So if you're a dog person, you can definitely go to this place. It is super fun. You get a free drink, you get a free water bottle. From there we took a direct cab to the Jaw Night Market. Finally, we have gone to this place, and trust me, it is worth it. I wouldn't call Asiatic as worth, because again, Asiatic was still expensive. But if you do not have the time to go to the Chatuchak market, then definitely visit Jord, because it is like the mini version of Chatuchak. You get souvenirs. You can get your nails done. I got my nails done, by the way. These are cat's eye nails. There is 100 baht shop. This is for all the girlies. Okay, you're going to get such cute tops at this place. They are adorable. There are also a lot of men's clothing over here. We got a few shirts for my father, or just a live picture session which they make for you like in 15 minutes. So I had seen videos of it. It's called this. Yeah, this is what the place is called. There are two of these. One is at the very beginning of the market, and one is at, inside. And look who we have over here. This was my outfit for today. We look similar. I mean, obviously it's me, but I absolutely love this. So this is a really nice souvenir you guys can take. Also, when I did go to Terminal 21, I did what I always do, which is these cute ass photo booth pictures. So I went on a whole rant here and I completely forgot to charge my mic. So let's just skip to day 5. Hello everyone and welcome to day 5 in Thailand. As you all know, I slept around 3:30 last night. So we woke up super late today, but we are going to a full shopping day. I mean, every day here is a shopping day, but today is a very specific shopping day. Only shopping, nothing else. We'll be going to Central World, Platinum, and December, and Big C. So let's go. We might even visit Siam Square or Siam Paragon again. Let's start our day. Literally everything was right beside us at a 2-minute distance. We just need to know how to use this R walk. Guys, if you're staying over here, please know how to use the R walk, because if you know that, you can go to any place. We have a dumb brain, but you guys don't. So please use the R walk, and it's free. Do not go to the BTS and take some sort of ticket like we did. Please. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the recap of day 5 in Bangkok, Thailand. By the end of it, we were carrying these two huge bags, and we even had to buy these two extremely huge bags in the market itself.
I am so sorry if the audio quality is not as good because my mic just died. But whatever. So in the morning we took a MRT and then a BTS and we went to Central World. Now for Central World you can either take Siam, like the BTS station is either Siam or Chitlom. Please choose Chitlom, it is less of a walk. The Central Square where they have this entire Christmas village and it was so adorable, and they had a Disney themed one. So obviously there was Zootopia too. There was Anna and Elsa because Christmas. There was Toy Story, and yeah, and obviously Mickey and Minnie. I mean, how can you miss them? Now the most important thing, Central World, Siam Square, Siam Paragon, Platinum Mall. These are all joined by something called an R walk. Now after we finished our clicking pictures and everything at Central Square, we took the R walk and then we headed towards Platinum Mall. Now our first stop was in Platinum Mall. It was right beside it in Diamond Plaza, December. And in these stores you can buy dresses, tops, everything at a very very reasonable price. But no, you cannot bargain over here. That is there. So, but everything is so reasonable, like for 200 baht, 350 baht. So it was really nice. We got a lot of cute tops and everything. We also saw a few skirts, but we didn't really buy everything from here right now because we still have Chatuchak left. But yeah, December's is definitely the place to go to if you guys do not have time for Chatuchak. Like I said in the last video, if you're not coming here during the weekend, you can go to all of these places. Actually, you can go to Platinum Mall to buy wigs or jewelry or these fancy dresses, like the ones you can wear to prom with a lot of pearls and diamonds and feathers. This is what you can get at Platinum because compared to Platinum, other places are very very cheap. That was it for this video, and tomorrow is going to be a shopping day as well, so stay tuned for it. Bye bye.